Everyone is chasing some dream in life. But at the end of the day, many of us feel like everything is empty and meaningless. If you have ever felt this way, then today's story is for you. So listen carefully till the end, because it might hold the key to true happiness in your life. Once, in a small village surrounded by green hills and clear rivers, there lived a young man named Daniel. Daniel was known and respected by everyone for his strong will and courage. Whenever something seemed impossible, Daniel was always the first person to step forward. He never stepped back from challenges, but inside Daniel, there was a hidden sadness. No one could see it, only he could feel it. Even after achieving many things in life, Daniel still felt like something was missing. Everything in his life looked perfect from the outside, but deep inside he felt that one part of his story was still incomplete. This feeling of emptiness slowly started to grow inside him. One day, Daniel decided to search for answers. He had heard about a wise old man named Grandpa Eli, who lived in a small wooden hut near the forest. People said that Eli's words were like a mirror. When people spoke with him, they began to understand themselves better. One morning, Daniel gathered his courage and walked toward Eli's hut. When he arrived, he saw Grandpa Eli sitting peacefully on a wooden chair. There was calmness in his eyes and a gentle smile on his face. Daniel spoke with a heavy heart. "Grandpa Eli, I need your help. I work very hard and try to achieve many things in life. But no matter what I do, I never feel satisfied. Please tell me, how can I find true happiness?" Grandpa Eli looked at him quietly for a moment. Then he said, "I will help you. But first, you must do something simple for me." He pointed to an old wooden bucket lying nearby. "Take this bucket and go to the river every day for 1 week. Fill it with water and pour the water into my well." Then he added, "But remember, the bucket has cracks in it." Daniel felt confused, but he trusted Eli and agreed. The next morning, Daniel started the task. He walked to the river, filled the cracked bucket with water, and carried it back to the well. But as he walked, most of the water leaked through the cracks. By the time he reached the well, the bucket was almost empty. Still, Daniel continued the task every day. The sun was hot, the journey was long, and the work felt meaningless. Every day the same thing happened. The water leaked out before reaching the well. Daniel began to feel disappointed. But even though he didn't understand the reason behind the task, he didn't give up. After 1 week, tired and discouraged, Daniel returned to Grandpa Eli with the empty bucket. With a sad voice he said, "Grandpa, I failed. I couldn't fill the well." But Eli smiled gently. "You didn't fail, Daniel. In fact, you did exactly what I wanted." Then he said, "Now turn around and look behind you." Daniel slowly turned around, and what he saw left him speechless. The path he had walked every day, which used to be dry and dusty, was now filled with green grass and beautiful flowers. Daniel looked at Eli in surprise. "How did this happen?" Grandpa Eli replied softly. "The water that leaked from the cracked bucket gave life to the path. That water made the dry road beautiful again." Then Eli continued, "This is what life is like, Daniel. All of us have flaws, just like this cracked bucket. But that doesn't mean our efforts are useless. True happiness doesn't come only from reaching a goal. It comes from valuing the journey toward that goal. It is not the destination that matters the most. It is the impact we leave behind along the way. At that moment, something changed inside Daniel. For the first time, he understood something important. Even if he didn't achieve everything he wanted, his efforts were still creating beauty in the world. Somewhere, in some way, his actions were making a difference. Daniel returned to his village with a lighter heart and a new understanding of life. This story teaches us a powerful lesson. Many times we focus only on the final goal. We think, when I achieve something big, then I will be happy. But like Daniel, we forget something important. The real beauty of life is in the journey. The cracked bucket represents our weaknesses, mistakes, and challenges. Sometimes we may not get the results we want, but every effort we make can bring light into someone's life. So instead of feeling sad about our flaws, we should ask ourselves, what beauty am I creating along the way? If this story touched your heart, please like the video and share it with someone who might need this message. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another inspiring story. Thank you for watching.